Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer dependencies in Planner using delivery plans, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring dependencies in Planner using delivery plans, access your Planner application. Log in with your organizational account to ensure full functionality. Select the project where you want to manage dependencies. Locate and click on the Delivery Plans option within the menu. Create a new delivery plan by selecting the appropriate option. Name your delivery plan to help identify its purpose easily. Next, define the timeframe for the delivery plan to organize your tasks effectively. Add relevant teams to your delivery plan by selecting from the available options. Now, navigate to the section where you can add existing tasks. Find tasks that require dependency management within your project. Use the search function to quickly locate specific tasks by title or description. Once you find a task, insert it into your delivery plan. Repeat the search and insertion process for all tasks needing attention. After populating your delivery plan, focus on identifying dependencies among the tasks. For each task, analyze the order of operations and prerequisites. Utilize the drag and drop feature to rearrange tasks according to their dependencies. Ensure that all dependent tasks are lined up correctly. Once arrangements are complete, review the delivery plan for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to improve clarity and structure. With the dependencies set, save your delivery plan for future reference. Inform your team members about the updated plan and any changes to the workflow. Monitor the progress of each task through the delivery plan interface. Adjust and update the plan as tasks are completed or new dependencies arise. Regularly review the delivery plan to keep everyone informed and aligned. This approach will enhance collaboration and ensure that all dependencies are managed effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.